Welcome to a super quick practice when you've maybe only got 10 minutes and you really want to move. So let's start out standing at the top of our mats. We're going to inhale, just bring our arms up, interlace our fingers, open the chest, and just look up towards the sky or the ceiling. Squeeze your tailbone down, so tucking your tailbone down, reaching the arms up. This is a really good practice to do in the morning, maybe when you've just woken up but you've not got time to move. And then exhale, gently release. Let's come down, take your feet hip distance, hands onto your waist. Let's just shake the hips from one side and the other, bend the knees. Interlace the hands back behind you, open the chest, look halfway. And exhale, fold forward. So our spine has maybe just been resting in one position for a while. So making sure we're focusing a lot on that. Release the hands, let's come back up. Open up the arms. Exhale, bring the elbows down, lift the chest up. And again, inhale, reach the arms up. And exhale, bend the elbows, come down. Reach the arms up again. Exhale, fold forward. Place the hands back down on the ground, step back, bring the knees down into a tabletop position. Let's start to bring the chest forward, coming into your cat-cows. Let's start to tuck the toes under in the back as well. And then exhale, tuck the tailbone down, round the chest, round the spine. Tuck the chin in. Inhale, open up. Exhale, round. So lots on the spine today. So opening up through the hips. Let's create some circles here, going one way, rounding the spine, arching the spine. Other way now. Let's do 3 going one way, 3 going the other way. Should feel really nice on your hips as well. Let's reach the arms forward, drop the chest down, and come into puppy pose. So your chin or your chest doesn't have to come all the way down, but reaching, keeping the hips in line with the knees as we reach our arms forward and drop down towards the chest. I'm not going to go all the way down because then I'll squish my little mic. Inhale here. Exhale. Inhale, let's start to come back up. Lift up into the left arm, open up into the chest. And then exhale, take the left arm down onto the mat underneath you. Coming into a nice little twist. You can stretch your right arm over towards the front of your mat, or you can even stretch the right leg back. Inhale here. Exhale, let's come back down. Open back up into the left arm, and then place the left hand down. Let's do the other side. Open up into the right arm. Interlace or come under into the arm. Ooh. Bring the left arm forward, or you can stretch that left leg back. I'm not gonna lie, there's so much sand blowing in my face right now. It's really windy in Scotland. Inhale here, and exhale, come back down. Oh, hello. It's okay. Hiya. You okay? Good morning. No, you're totally fine. This is my favorite part. Thank you so much. That's so nice. Coming back into your tabletop position, let's just stretch the right leg back behind you. Give yourself a little calf stretch. You can even start to lift the knee up if that feels okay. And bring the legs down. Other side, stretch back. You can lift that leg up. Stretching into the calves now. Placing the feet back down. Let's tiptoe our way all the way to the top of the mat. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold. Inhale, reach the arms up. Take the hands together, push the hips forward, arch back. And exhale, fold forward. Right leg steps back, knee down, top of the foot down, look forward. Step back, plank hold. Knees, chest, and chin down. Inhale, coming up into cobra. Exhale, push back, downward facing dog. Right foot steps forward, knee down, top of the foot down, look forward. Step to the top of the mat, forward fold. Inhale, reach up, arch the back. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, left foot steps back, knee down, top of the foot down, gaze forward. Step back, plank, hold the breath. Knees, chest, and chin down. Inhale, come forward for cobra. Exhale, push back, downward facing dog. Inhale, left foot steps forward, knee down, top of the foot down, look forward. Step to the top of the mat, forward fold. Inhale, coming up, arch the spine. And exhale, forward fold. Let's inhale, halfway lift. Slide the hands up the shin. Exhale, forward fold. Plant the hands, step back into your plank. Inhale, hold for 1, for 2, and 3. Push back. Downward facing dog. Pausing here in our downward facing dog. So just bending one knee and the other, allowing space for our spine to stretch. Inhale, lift that right leg up. Bend the knee, open up into the hips. And exhale, step the right knee in between the hands. Come into a low lunge. Interlace your hands back behind you. If this doesn't feel okay, we can take our hands onto our waist. We can just grab opposite elbow, finding the variation that works for you. And now we're just gonna hold here. Opening up into the chest. Inhale. Exhale. Slowly come forward, placing the hands beside. Tiptoe the feet forward and we'll come into a half split. Gazing forward with our chest. And again, if it doesn't feel okay to come all the way down, placing the hands onto the hips or fingertips down. Inhale, think belly to thigh. Pull the right hip back. Exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Start to come forward, placing the left hand on the inside, tucking the back toes under. Let's open up into the right arm, come into a twist. Inhale here, push into the ball of the back foot, lift up into the hip as we start to twist and stack the shoulders over. And if it feels okay, you can bring that arm all the way over and across. Inhale here. Exhale, let's bring the arm forward, reaching the fingertips forward. And if you can, either tiptoe or step that foot all the way to the top of the mat. Come down into your malasana. Hands into the chest. Inhale, open up and lift the chest up. Stack the spine up nice and long. Inhale here. Exhale, start to squeeze the hips onto the elbows. So squeezing in here. Exhale. Inhale here. Exhale. Slowly begin to fold forward, round the spine, come all the way up. Inhale, exhale, fold forward. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, plant the hands, step back into your plank. Knees down or lifted. Bend the elbows, chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, push back. Downward facing dog. Full deep breath. Inhale here. Exhale. Inhale, left foot rises. Bend the knee, open up into the hip. Exhale, knee into chest. Step it all the way forward into your low lunge. So interlacing the hands, finding your variation that works for you. Open up here. Inhale. Exhale. Relaxing the back foot. Inhale. Exhale. Placing the fingertips down. Coming forward. Half splits. Remember finding the variation that works for your body this morning, this evening, wherever you are. Inhale and exhale. Maybe you can fold forward. Be gentle with your hamstrings. They carry us. They do a lot of work for us. Inhale. Exhale. Let's slowly come up. Placing the right hand down this time. Tucking the back toes under. Lift up into the back foot. Find your twist, opening up into the arm. Now, if this feels okay, we can extend it back even more. Inhaling here. Push into the back foot. Back ball of your foot as you lift the hips. Exhale. And then inhale, reach the arm forward, gaze forward, make space, and tiptoe or step that foot all the way to the front of the mat, Malasana. So let's slowly begin to just open up into the chest here, and we're gonna create some movements. My favorite little thing to do in the morning is just moving the hips around in Malasana. So maybe your Malasana, your heels don't reach the ground, that's okay. We can work on ankle mobility in our practice. So moving around here, coming back, maybe just lifting the toes up and down, back and forth. And let's heel toe the feet back in together. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold. Plant the hands, step back into your plank, chaturanga. Inhale, open up into upward facing dog or cobra. Push back, downward facing dog. Knees come down. Sit back onto your hips, into your seated position. And let's just take a little gentle twist. So reaching the right arm up, you can even place this hand onto the waist and just taking it over and across. And if it feels okay, we can reach this arm back, or you can take your bind, tucking it back behind, looking for the other side of your hip. Starting to cool down. Come forward, other side, reaching up. Exhale, twist. Inhale, reach. And exhale, find the position that works for you. Come back in the center. Interlace the hands back behind your head, tucking the chin down. If you want to, you can even tuck the toes under for a little bit of a toe stretch. Good for your ankles as well. Chin comes down, open up into the chest. Chin comes down, and then open up again. Bringing the hands down. Let's create some circles in the neck. Going one way and the other. And slowly, let's come back into center. Let's take the balls of our feet in together and open up into the chest. And exhale, just gently fold forward. Pausing here. You can take the soles of the feet, open it up like a book, and push the elbows into the inner thighs if you want that little bit extra as well. Breathing here. And slowly begin to release. Take our hands back behind us. Just windshield wiper both sides of the hips. And let's take our feet together. Interlace into a nice seated position. Hands into the chest. Let's just take some nice slow breaths. So wherever you are, exhale all the way to the bottom of your breath. Inhale slowly for 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale for 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pause. Inhale for 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale for 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, fullest breath. Open your mouth side out. And if you have the time, feel free to take a Shavasana. And you can just pause this class and continue lying down. But if this is where we both leave, then I would like to say thank you so much for practicing. And 10 minutes is enough. Showing up is enough. You've given your body a bit of love, a bit of compassion, and that's something so amazing and something you should be proud of. Some people think that you have to practice for hours and hours for it to be a full practice, but no, sometimes it can just be one breath, couple breaths, a minute, 10 minutes. So really, really well done today. Namaste, everyone. Thank you so much for being here.